In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Don't Close Brave browser when you close last tab. If you've ever closed your last tab in Brave and watched the entire browser window disappear, this setting is for you. We're going to turn off the option that closes the whole window when the final tab is closed, so the browser itself stays open and ready for your next task. This is especially handy if you often close tabs quickly, use a touchpad or middle click, or just prefer to keep the window open as a workspace. Start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the three-line menu icon. Click that to open the main menu. From here, select Settings. This takes you to the hub where Brave's preferences are organized. On the left side of the Settings page, find and click System. The System section controls how Brave behaves behind the scenes, including performance and window behavior. If your sidebar is condensed, you may see icons. Hovering over them will reveal the labels, and System will be there. Inside System, look for the option labeled Close Window when closing last tab. This setting does exactly what it says. When it's enabled, closing your final open tab also closes the entire browser window. That can be disruptive if you meant only to clear a tab, not to quit the app. To keep Brave open after the last tab is closed, turn this setting off. Click the toggle switch so it moves to the off position. When it's off, Brave will keep the window open even when no tabs remain, typically showing a blank window or your new tab page depending on your other preferences. This change applies immediately, no restart required. A few quick notes to help you get the most from this setting. If you're someone who works with lots of tabs and often tidies them up rapidly, disabling the Close on Last tab behavior can save you from unintentionally shutting down your entire session. It's also helpful if you like launching new tabs with keyboard shortcuts, since the window will remain available for quick tab creation. And if you're on different operating systems, the menu and toggle look the same, so these steps work consistently across platforms. That's all there is to it. You opened Brave, went into the menu and settings, selected System, found Close Window when closing last tab, and switched it off. From now on, closing your last tab won't close Brave itself, giving you a smoother, less disruptive browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this small tweak makes your workflow faster and more comfortable.